Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. We got a great video for you today. We are your research and destruction channel, and we are simply going to destroy some stuff today.
Well, not me, per se.
Why not?
Because my shoulder is jacked, because I'm so incredibly accident prone for some reason.
He is. He's really accident pro. So yours truly will be doing the shooting today because
have fun with that.
He went snowboarding and dislocated his shoulder. Good job, buddy.
Yeah,
good job.
I'm getting old. I'm finally realizing that now.
All right. About time. Anyways, here's what we got for you guys. If you remember in this video right here, if it's showing up on your screen, we shot 3 barrels. We shot a plastic, a 55-gallon, and a whiskey barrel with 50 BMG spotter tracer rounds. Now, this is a 50, but today we are going to do 3 different barrels. Well, one's a keg. We got a beer keg.
We've always wanted to do that one.
Yeah, we have. But he finally drank it, and now we got a keg to shoot, and we're going to shoot it with these 3 training 20mm rounds. Now, these tips on here are aluminum, so when they hit, they're really going to mushroom out and hopefully cause a great concussion inside those barrels.
Yeah, they are training rounds, but they are still incredibly lethal. You know, it's not like they're plastic or anything.
Right. All right, so let's show you the barrels real quick and get this going. All right, first one we got, 55-gallon. It's already starting to heat up and come out the top here. So this baby is completely full of water. Should be cool. Then we are going to do the half size. I think they call these a half size keg. I don't know, it looks pretty full to me. These are 15.5 gallons, I believe. All aluminum. This is going to be really cool. We've been always wanting to shoot one of these, so we're going to shoot this one. And last, all right, so you got to make sure you watch this video. This is the one with the 50 BMG shooting a whiskey barrel, and that thing was awesome. We'll also put a link down in the description below if the video isn't popping up. But this is going to be the last shot here. This is going to be great. Let's get going. All right, yours truly's got to shoot again because Justin dislocated his shoulder. But we're going to give this a shot.
Have fun.
All right. Fire in the hole. Loading. All right, there she goes. Whoa!
Yeah,
Dang, that's a much bigger hole than the 50 left. Let's go check it out. Woohoo! Holy cow, man. That is a much bigger hole. That's gotta be, I don't know, is that the back side or the front? Let's see. I think this is the back because, yeah, because this was facing this way. So here's where I hit.
it's exactly where you're aiming.
Exactly where I was aiming, and just blew that thing out. That is fantastic, man. Cool.
I saw something hit way up on that berm too.
Oh, check it out. Justin found the round. This is cool.
Is it hot, even though I want their water?
I don't know, just probably Edwin hot. Yeah, it's warm.
It looks.
But what's amazing is the tip. This is aluminum, so I'm really surprised that it didn't come apart.
Yeah, I figured it'd be mangled.
Huh. All right. All right, so now we're gonna get on to the beer keg. Here we go. All right, round number 2, onto the keg. We'll just all pretend it's Bud Light.
Hi, I got some Bud Lights for us.
All right, charging the round. Yeah, that's scary. All right, fire in the hole. Oh, wow. That was like anticlimactic. I hit it, but on the side. Let's go check it out. Well, mark one up for the keg, man. That thing didn't hardly even move. I hit on the side because, again, I'm not the best shot. But it still pressurized this thing enough. It blew the entire plug or whatever's in the top of this thing.
The valve.
The valve?
Ball valve.
The ball valve, yeah, there's a ball valve in here that pushes down. It blew that out and came out that way, hit somewhere right here, but we haven't been able to find it. We'll go back, watch the video, maybe we can find the projectile from that. Oh, wait a minute. Dude, it turned into a 45.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Magic.
It just shrunk it down. There's so much lead in this hill. All right, the one we've all been waiting for, the Whisky Barrel. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Let's get going. Waste no time.
Just whiskey.
Just whiskey. All right, last shot. Been waiting to do this for a long time. Charging. Oh, I love that. All right, you guys ready? Ready. Fire in the hole.
Oh! Holy crap.
Oh my God.
That was insane.
Oh my gosh.
I wonder why you wanted to shoot.
Oh wow, it just obliterated that, man.
That's so cool.
Wow. That was amazing. I did not expect that.
I didn't either.
Nope, not at all. I thought it was gonna be similar to the 50.
You know, the last, if you guys watch that video, the 50 went through it, but it made it expand and go through each slat.
Yeah, it's still in the barn too.
Yeah, we still have that one because, you know.
Decoration piece.
But here's the tip.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
It broke the tip out of it. I'm surprised it didn't do that when it embedded in the dirt over there.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know where the rest of the round is, but that was freaking cool. You guys have got to comment, give a thumbs up for that one. That was some good stuff there. Man, I don't see that, the other part of the projectile anywhere. But there you go. Now this barrel we got from up in Denver. It did have whiskey in it, and then they used it as a beer keg. All right, that was awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Man, so the bung right here actually took out our other camera. What a good shot that was. That's really cool, man.
That's a keeper.
That's a keeper. Here you go, Curtis. Since it that was your phone and your 20mm, you get to keep that. So that was the power of the 20mm versus different barrels, keg. The keg, I shouldn't have made fun of Bud Light because that one was the toughest.
Love ya. Cheers.
Sadly enough. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. We got some more videos planned for you and we'll be back.